Hello, it's Friday, October 9th, and this is your math lesson for today. You're going to need your Friday lesson from your workbook, which is the chapter 2, lesson 10. And you're going to need some counters. You're going to need no more than 8 counters today for your lesson because we're going to be doing ways to subtract from 8. Okay, so pause me if you need to and get what you need and your pencil. Okay. So we're going to start off today with a short math video that just talks about subtracting from 8. All right, here we go.
Subtract from 8. There are many numbers you can subtract from 8.
I subtracted 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 equals 4. The difference is 4. I subtracted 2 from 8. 8 minus 2 equals 6. The difference is 6.
Now we can practice subtracting another number from 8. Start with a train of 8 cubes. Subtract 1. How many cubes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes are left. 8 minus 1 equals 7.
Okay, so just like we've been doing the last couple of days, subtracting from different numbers. Okay, so this is the lesson we're going to do today, subtracting from 8. Okay, so you have your 8 counters. All right, so we're going to use our counters to model this first page. 8 koalas are on a tree. So take all your 8 counters, make sure there's 8, and put them on the tree. I usually try to draw just to show. Okay. Now I can move them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I made 9. I'm going to take him away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 koalas are in the tree. 6 of the koalas climb away. So what do? We put 6 more or take 6 off? Right, take 6 off because 6 went away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many koalas are still on the tree? 2. There's 2 koalas left. So our number sentence, our subtraction number sentence is, we started with 8 minus 6. 6 koalas got off the tree. And we were left with 2 koalas. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay. You're going to, oops, let me move these. Open and flip to the inside page. Okay, so there are many ways to subtract from 8. When we did 4, there were only 5 ways to subtract from 4 because it was a small number. Now that it's 8, there's lots of ways to subtract from 8. 9 ways. Okay, so if we have 8 cubes and they take 4 away, what's left? 4. 4 is the difference. The answer is the difference. Okay, what if they have 8 and they take 6 away? What is left? 2. 2 is the difference. Okay, so now using your counters, like we've been doing at school, using your counters, I want you to find show different ways to subtract from 8. So in my class, I just had the kids line up the counters. So we have 8 counters. And then just do different ways to take away. So if I have 8 counters and I want to take away 2, then let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one way to take away from 8. And then I put it back. Now find a new number. So next time take away a different number until you get all different ways of taking away from 8. 6 different ways. Pause me and do that on your own. Okay, so you're done showing ways to take away from 8. Now let's flip it over to this side. So this side is just all subtraction. So using your counters if you need them, you are going to subtract all these different ways. Now remember, subtraction is taking away. So you start, like with the first one, you start with 7, and then you take 3 of those 7 away. And then what is left? Right, what is left? So you're writing the difference in all of these. Some of them you'll remember from the other side. Some you might remember from your 5-page when we did the 6-page and -7. So do this side and then unpause me. Okay, so if you haven't done the middle, make sure you do that before you watch the back. Make sure you pause me. Okay, so now we're ready to finish the back side. Write a subtraction number sentence to solve. There are 8 giraffes drinking water. Well, we have 8 counters, so that's easy for us. 3 giraffes go away. Take 3 away. How many giraffes are left drinking water? Write a subtraction number sentence to show the answer. 8 giraffes are drinking water. 3 giraffes go away. How many giraffes are left drinking water? Okay. For this one, it says, tell a friend a subtraction story. You can just think of one. You could do zoo animals like they did here. And you're going to write a subtraction number sentence that matches your story. So you're going to come up with, just say like there are 7 something, zebras, flowers. And then say some went away. How many are left? And then write the subtraction number sentence that goes with your story. Okay, pause me if you're not done. Okay, my story, I'm going to do one. My story is there were 8 butterflies flying in the flower garden. 5 butterflies went away. How many butterflies are left in the flower garden? So my number sentence that goes with my story would be 8 butterflies minus 5 went away equals 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. And I have 3 left. So equals 3. So I have a story. You don't see it on my paper, but I had a story, and this was my number sentence. Okay, so one more. I'm going to erase that so I can move it. Goodness, I'm going to make that big. Okay, so here's a number sentence. So 8 minus 5 equals 2. That's not right. 8 minus 5 does not equal 2. So Nia wrote this subtraction sentence. Tell why Nia is wrong. Well, let's think about that. Because if you have 8 and you take away 5, it does not equal 2. You have more than that left because 2 plus 5 is not 8. So we need to make it right. We're going to do it vertical just like she did. Okay, so we're going to do 8, just kind of go inside here, minus 2, whoop, no, 8 minus 5 equals, well, let's see, that was the butterfly one I did. So if I have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's left? 3. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay, so for this math, I'm giving you a second to do that. All right, so this math, I did not do the inside with you. That's what's going to start happening with math and different things is we're going to give directions and then you're going to need to do things on your own and send them to your teachers. So for the inside pages, make sure you either send your picture or if you bring your papers in, make sure you bring them in so your teacher can see it and how you did. Okay? So make sure you finish those middle 2 pages. And that is all for math today. And it's Friday, so have a fabulous 3-day weekend. And we will see you back at school on Tuesday or on Zoom. Bye.